Well, it's another day on the lower Madison River testing flies, and I was testing a couple, and now I'm just going to go ahead and fish my Disco Stew a little bit more. But I heard something kind of making some noise in the bushes over at one of the campsites where I'm at, so I decided to take a look before I decided to walk into the brush. It's a good thing I took a look. That's a moose. That's a mama moose. And its baby is literally right there. Now, I'm 80 yards away from them. I'm not going to get any closer. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go walk over here into the water and get into the river so that I don't get trampled by them. But I figured I'd show you. I'm not going to get any closer, so if you want, pause the video and zoom in. All right, I'll see you guys later. Take care. Make that 3 moose, and that one's right on the bank, which makes the situation even more dangerous. So, whatever you do, if you come across a baby moose, don't bug it, because its mom isn't that far away, as you can see, and they will come after you. So now I got to be really careful. Well, you can see how far I am in the water right now. And there's the boat launch and everything behind me. And here's the other shoreline that comes out from this channel that I'm in. And as you can see, I'm giving that moose a lot of room, because the mom is right up over there. So as long as I don't spook this little calf, I'll be safe. But if I spook the calf, mom's gonna come after me. So just in case you guys want to come up to Montana, remember, wildlife, and they can hurt you. All right, see you guys later. Well, I honestly gotta say, this is the smallest brown I've ever caught on Disco Stew, but he hit it. And I figured I'll show you this guy real quick. Little itty bitty guy, isn't he? And he ate that big old Disco Stew streamer. So anyway, let's see if we got some more in here. Well, it was definitely a hard day fishing on the river yesterday, and I figured I'd add this just to let you know, because I didn't get any more good footage. But I moved 5 fish, hooked 3 fish, and landed that little guy. But hey, at least I didn't get trampled by a moose. But that's all right, because the next time I go out, I'm gonna test this guy. I just tied him up this morning, so we'll see how he does. All right, you guys take care. I'll see you later. Hit that subscribe button if you're interested.